I have tried so many harnesses with 9Router, but OpenCode is the best harnesses that I found to be working greatly with the 9Router. So recently I am testing how many other providers CLI tools that I connect with it. And I tried most of them and I found that the OpenCode is work greatly with the 9Router, and the models that are connected with the OpenCode does not give any errors at all. So also the great advantage other is the integration with the 9 Router proxy. As you can see, I can add the models from here, just the click of a button, and also delete, add, edit all of these models from here. And also the applying the settings very easy. I just have to click the apply without any manual configuration. So first you have to download the OpenCode CLI. So go to a new tab and just search OpenCode, and you will be redirected to the official website, or you can also head over to the docs as well. So first I'm going to the official website, and you can see in here you can download the OpenCode. So you can choosing the color, npm, ban, blue, or all of these options that you can use to download the OpenCode CLI. So after downloading the OpenCode CLI, you just have to run the 9Router. So for now, the 9Router is available and open. You just have to check the status. Just go to the CLI tools and just make sure that the status is shown. After that, you just have to click add models and it will show you all the models that you can add. So for now, I am going to add one other model to demonstrate that it is working. I am just added the Laguna M.1. So right click here, and after that just click on the apply. It is connected. So after that you just have to open the OpenCode inside of the terminal. So I'm going to resume it a bit and just type the OpenCode. It will just take a moment and it will open the OpenCode. As you can see, the UI is shown to us. So I'm going to just type /model, and you can see all of these 9Router models are displaying, as you can see. And one other benefit is we can use these open codes and free models as well. You can see they have recently added the DeepSeek Core V4 Flash. They're new that it is released 2 to 3 days ago. So if I select their model and just run any command, we'll see that these models are also working. You can see, and now I'm going to try the 9Router models. So I'm going to just select this Laguna S2.1 and send any command. As you can see, it is fast and it is working okay. And why I say that why OpenCode is the best harness you can use with the 9Router, because I have tried all of these models with other models, what other harnesses, and all harnesses are giving me errors. So to show that, I want to open the PyCoding agent. If I open it, I'm going to show you how it's working inside of the Py. Now the PyCoding agent is open and I have customized it using these extensions, but I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go hit /models and select the Laguna model that I have added, and you can see this as 2.1, and that's going to send the message. Now you can see when I used it here, it is giving me the error that please check the model you provided. So in this harness, this model is giving me a, but inside of the OpenCode, it is not giving me the other. You can see this is same model, but it's working in here. That's why I am saying that the OpenCode is the best harness that you can use with the 9Router. Also, I'm going to show you a little bonus that you can use the OpenCode 9Router set outside of the T3 code as well. So just open the T3 code and I'm going to show you how you can connect the OpenCode and use all of these models inside of the T3 code. Because some people like the GUI version and some people like the terminal version. That's why I want to show you this method as well. So now the P3 code is opening. I think they have recently updated it. That's why their UI is looking awesome. The T3 code, and I want to go to the settings, then to the providers, and you can see this is the OpenCode is still connected. But if your option is not enabled, you just have to enable this, and you can check this data here that it's saying authenticated and it's choosing the two upstream providers, because one provider is the OpenCode on one and the other is the 9Router. Also, these models are automatically packed. You don't have to add these models one by one or manually edit any config. So to test it, just go back and first I'm going to try their own model, their new DeepSeek, and just going to send any command. Now it's named the session and it should work. It's saying that it is working, but we will see if it get any response or not. As you can see, it has given me the response. So now I'm going to test it with the 9Router models. So you want to select the GLM5 and just again so I have sent the message. Now I'm going to test if this 9Router model is working inside of it or not. So go to the console log and check. Now it is responding, so I'm going to go to the usage. Yes, the GN5 is using, so I'm going to check. Yes, the model is working. So this is the whole setup that you can use with the OpenCode, and now I'm going to stick with the OpenCode because the OpenCode is working greatly with the 9Router, and also I like the T3 code, so this setup is also supported inside of T3 code as well. So if you like this video, then subscribe and comment under my video if you want any other integrations. So have a nice day and goodbye.